Redragon K649 ELF Pro Review Transparent Keyboard. Prepare to embark on a journey where transparency meets performance, as we delve into the immersive world of the Redragon K649 ELF Pro, exploring the mesmerizing interplay of light and functionality. The Redragon K649 ELF Pro mechanical keyboard has a layout of 75% with 82 keys and a gasket-mounted construction with 8 strategically placed thermoplastic rubber pieces that create a firm and cushioned tactile typing experience. The K649 ELF Pro also incorporates noise-dampening silicone pads and foam layers, resulting in reduced hollow sound and enhanced acoustics. The noise-dampening silicone pads are sandwiched between the PCB, filling up the space between the keyboard's PCB and case, eliminating the classic hollow, pingy sound you get with non-modded keyboards. The Redragon K649 ELF Pro boasts a full transparent frame case, including transparent keycaps and transparent switches, which allows the RGB illumination to shine through beautifully, vibrantly and brightly, making any gaming setup come alive. You get tons of RGB effects to choose from, including dynamic and static single colors. Some multicolored dynamic RGB effects can also be turned into single static colors too, which is neat. The K649 ELF Pro integrates a dedicated function key zone that makes FN combo keys more easily accessible. Being a compact mechanical keyboard, the K649 ELF Pro doesn't have a standard bottom row, which is something to keep in mind when buying third-party keycaps. The K649 ELF Pro has double riser feet for height adjustment, as well as a slot on the right side of the keyboard to store the included 2.4 GHz dongle. On the opposite side of the keyboard, you find the USB-C power port and toggle switch with tree settings, 2.4 GHz, off and BT. The K649 ELF Pro has a battery life of 20 hours with RGBs turned on and a charging time of 7 hours. Versatility is one of the strong points of the Redragon K649 ELF Pro. It is equipped with hot swappable sockets compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, making switch customization effortless. The stock switches are Redragon custom-made switches, which are similar to Altemu low-profile red linear switches, similar typing force and travel distance. The tri-mode connection allow you to connect the K649 ELF Pro via USB-C wired, BT 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. In Bluetooth mode, you have the option to connect the keyboard to up to 3 Bluetooth devices at the same time. In terms of dimensions, the Redragon K649 ELF Pro weighs 957 grams and measures 33 cm long by 13.5 cm deep by 4 cm high. The height is 4.5 cm with short feet and 5 cm high with the tallest feet. The bottom row is 3 cm high. Overall, the Redragon K649 ELF Pro is a solid addition to the gaming keyboard market. The gasket-mounted construction, noise-dampening capabilities, full transparent design and hot swappable sockets make this keyboard really stand out.